Good morning, children. Welcome back to the online classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Jeena, your Hindi teacher. Children, we already discussed about lesson 1 in the previous class. So, today let's learn lesson 2, Yadon ke Jaroke Se. It means a trip down the memory lane. This lesson is a special part of Mahatma Gandhi's autobiography, My Early Life. The foundation of his characteristic features is clearly visible in this excerpt. Let us first look at the meanings in this lesson. Shabdarth, Sadharnada, generally. Ruji, interest. Anugarniya, deserve to be followed. Dravibudh, melting of emotions. Suspasht, very clear. Us ragini ko, that tune. Ajna prapt karna, to get permission. Satyanisht, truthful. Anusaran, follow. Shabdashaha, word by word. Puna, again. Let's start, children. Yes. साधारणता अपनी पाठ्य पुस्तकों के अतिरिक्त किसी अन्य पुस्तक का पढ़ना मुझे प्रिय न था. It means I did not like to read any other book other than my textbooks in general. दैनिक पाठ तो याद ही करना पड़ता था क्योंकि मैं शिक्षक को धोखा देना उतना ही बुरा समझता था जितना उनसे डांट गाना. It means had to memorize the daily lesson because I thought cheating on the teacher was as being scolded. इसलिए मैं पाठ तो याद ही करता था परंतु प्राय उस पर ध्यान दिए बिना ही. It means that's why I used to remember the lesson but often without paying attention to it. इस भांति जब पाठ ही ठीक से याद न हो पाता था तब और कुछ पढ़ने का प्रश्न ही न उठता था. It means in this way, when the text itself could not be memorized properly, then the question of reading anything else did not arise. परंतु किसी प्रकार मेरी दृष्टि अपने पिता की खरीदी हुई एक पुस्तक पर पड़ गई. But somehow my eyes fell on a book bought by my father. पुस्तक दी श्रवण पितृ भक्ति नाटक. The book was श्रवण पितृ भक्ति नाटक. मैंने उसे बड़ी रुचि से पढ़ा. I read it with great interest. उन्हीं दिनों हमारे यहाँ चलते फिरते तमाशे दिखाने वाले आए थे. In those days, wanderer used to come to our village to show spectacles. उनमें से एक विचित्र में मैंने देखा कि श्रवण कुमार अपने अंधे माता पिता को तीर्थ यात्रा के लिए ले जा रहा है. In one of the pictures, I saw Shravan Kumar taking his blind parents for a pilgrimage. उस पुस्तक और उस चित्र की एक अमिट छाप मेरे मन पर पड़ी है. That book and that picture left an indelible impression on my mind. मैंने अपने मन में कहा. I said in my mind. मेरे लिए यह उदाहरण अनुकरणीय है. For me, this example is exemplary. श्रवण की मृत्यु पर उसके माता पिता का करुण विलाप आज भी मेरे स्मृति पट पर सुस्पष्ट है. The mournful cry of his parents on the death of Shravan is still evident on my memory board. मन को द्रवीभूत करने वाली उस ध्वनि ने मुझे विचलित कर दिया. The sound that liquefied my mind disturbed me a lot. मेरे पिता ने मेरे लिए एक बाजा खरीद दिया था. My father had bought me a baja. It means a instrumental drum. मैं उस ग्राहकनी को उस बाजे पर बजाया करता था जिसे मेरे पिता ने मोल ले दिया था. I used to play that tune on the baja that my father had bought. Children, I hope you have understood this lesson. Please read this lesson and understand more about the lesson. Let me conclude today's session. I have attached notes and test paper. So all of you attend test paper and post it. See you in the next class. Bye.